Hi! Welcome to another Care & Co tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to make your own beadable bracelet using our Beadable Metal Bangle Bracelet. If you're looking to make a polished, beautiful, and super easy bracelet, this is the project for you. All the written instructions we found on the website, as well as all the supplies needed. Let's get crafting! To start making your metal bracelet, you will need metal beadable bangle bracelets and assorted small beads of your choice. We chose 3 colors of our Heishi strands and a strand of our metal gold spacers. Take your bangle bracelet and twist off the removable ball end. Thread on the beads of your choice in the correct order you prefer. Twist your ball end back onto your bangle bracelet, and you're finished. It's that easy. Talk about a satisfying craft. Once you make one, you'll want to keep crafting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you head to our YouTube page for more crafting inspiration. Happy crafting!